Hi, I'm John with ExpertVillage.com. We're making line switch plate covers. Here's our cover thus far. We've already modged it on the sides. Already on the front and the back of the pitcher. Now we've got the bubbles out. Now we need to hold these down. So get some Mod Podge on your brush already and stick it underneath there, just like that. On all edges. Put as much as you need on there because you can always wipe it off. Again, it's just like glue. It's just like glue and rubber cement, but it's just a little different. But it looks just like it, and it'll dry clear. Don't worry. Okay, now that I have it on there, get it all over, because if there's no Mod Podge, it won't stick. And it'll eventually peel off. So now I got it on the pitcher. Let's get it on the actual cover. Again, this will dry, so it won't get as sticky every time we touch it. Now, when we got that already, let's fold it over and tuck it in. Just force it. It'll be a little difficult sometimes, but that's okay. Now with the corners, just get them really wet. Doesn't even matter. Because when it's wet, once it folds, it'll dry hard and it'll stay there. So just get it really wet. I mean, glob it on if you need to.